In today's dynamic business landscape, efficiency and integration are no longer luxuries but necessities. Companies, whether startups or established enterprises, are constantly seeking tools that can streamline their operations, enhance collaboration, and ultimately drive growth. Amidst the plethora of software solutions available, Zoho has carved a significant niche for itself. But what exactly is Zoho best known for? As a project management expert, I've had the opportunity to witness firsthand how various software ecosystems can impact an organization's workflow. Zoho stands out not for one single groundbreaking feature, but rather for its comprehensive suite of business applications designed to work seamlessly together. Think of it as a well-organized toolbox, where each tool is specifically crafted for a particular task, and all the tools fit neatly within the same system. At its core, Zoho is best known for offering a vast and integrated ecosystem of business software. Unlike companies that focus on a specific area like CRM or marketing automation, Zoho provides a wide array of applications covering nearly every aspect of running a business. This includes customer relationship management. CRM. Zoho CRM is a robust platform that helps businesses manage their sales, marketing, and customer support activities. It allows teams to track leads, manage customer interactions, automate sales processes, and gain valuable insights into customer behavior. Project management. Zoho Projects is a comprehensive project management tool that enables teams to plan, track, and collaborate on projects effectively. Features include task management, Gantt charts, time tracking, resource allocation, and communication tools. Email and collaboration. Zoho Workplace offers a suite of communication and collaboration tools, including Zoho Mail, email hosting, Zoho Docs, online document management, Zoho Sheet, spreadsheet software, Zoho Show, presentation software, and Zoho Click, team messaging. Marketing automation. Zoho Marketing Automation helps businesses automate their marketing efforts, nurture leads, manage email campaigns, track website visitors, and measure marketing ROI. Finance and accounting. Zoho Books is an online accounting software designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It helps manage invoices, expenses, track inventory, reconcile bank accounts, and generate financial reports. Human resources management. Zoho People is a comprehensive HR management system that helps businesses manage employee data, attendance, leave, performance appraisals, and other HR-related processes. Customer service. Zoho Desk is a multi-channel help desk software that enables businesses to provide efficient and effective customer support across various communication channels. Business intelligence and analytics. Zoho Analytics allows businesses to analyze their data from various Zoho applications and other sources to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. Website and application development. Zoho Creator is a low-code development platform that enables businesses to build custom applications and automate workflows without extensive coding knowledge. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. The true power of Zoho lies in the seamless integration between these applications. Data flows effortlessly between different modules, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the chances of errors. For instance, a lead captured in Zoho CRM can automatically trigger a marketing campaign in Zoho Marketing Automation, and once the lead converts into a customer, their information is readily available in Zoho Books for invoicing. This interconnectedness provides a holistic view of the business and empowers teams to work more efficiently. Another key aspect that Zoho is renowned for is its affordability. Compared to many other enterprise-level software providers, Zoho offers competitive pricing plans, making it an attractive option for small and medium-sized businesses that are looking for powerful tools without breaking the bank. This accessibility has been a significant factor in Zoho's widespread adoption across various industries.